BWK Exotics. Now I'm gonna try this chicken. Brandon, I'm trying to eat out use one. Put your hand up over my stuff here. Good. It's good. It's different. Okay. It's good. We got piece of soup. Baby, Lee like that soup. You like it? Like, let's see. Okay. Eli, you shining over there. I like your chain, boy. She's like, yeah, let me get that. Let me get that. She said, stop playing now. Let me get mine. Let me get mine, yeah. Chubby Chubbs ain't playing. She's like, uh-huh. I don't know. Like it too? You can have some more. This is all we can eat. Yeah. He fumbled, y'all. He fumbled the chicken. He fumbled the chicken. This is my oysters right here. This is my oysters. I had oysters, popsicles, and chicken. You know, Darren told us about that was the chicken. So, yeah, look at that. They got the sushi right there. Different salmon. I mean, different sushi. I say different salmon. Ain't them crazy? Yeah. So we had a real live sushi board, y'all. Sushi buffet. Real live sushi, baby. BWK Exotics. Somebody smacked on some of this food. I'll be back at y'all later. Come. The birthday boy serving me, man. Give me some oranges. Yeah, that's good enough, yep. Oh boy, got me some oranges, man. I needed that. That's good enough, E. Let's go. You gonna bring it to me or you gonna push me back? You gonna push me or you gonna bring it to the table for me or you gonna push me? Alright, cool. Thank you. My birthday boy. My birthday boy. Yeah, man, these oranges is good for you, man. And it's the only thing at the board that I would get. Thank you, E. Yeah, could you tell him again? Tell him what I want. Tell him I want the same thing. The same thing again, that's all. Yeah, more chicken. Brandon and his sushis. California rolls or something. You know exactly what it is. That's what you used to eat when you was young with your mama, huh? That's the one your mama used to always get you? I'll try one for you. They got me trying sushi again, y'all. What I do, just eat the whole thing? Eat it? It's good. It's different. It's really different. It's different. Yeah, sushi different. Let me give him that. Chubby Chub. Yeah.